In today's video, I'll show you how to create news narration with ElevenLabs so you can turn written news scripts into clear, professional-sounding audio. If you're new to news-style voiceovers, the goal is simple. You want a voice that sounds neutral, clear, and easy to understand, just like a news broadcast. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account and open the Text-to-Speech section or Projects workspace. This is where you'll create your news narration. Next, prepare your news script. Keep your writing structured, fact-based, and easy to follow. Start with the most important information first so the listener understands the story quickly. Now choose a voice that sounds professional and neutral. For news narration, avoid overly expressive voices and focus on clarity and consistency. Once your voice is selected,
I'll show you how to use
the editor. Use short sentences and proper punctuation to help the AI deliver a smooth and broadcast-style flow. Before generating, review your script carefully to ensure accuracy and clean formatting. News content should always be precise and well-structured. Now click Generate and let ElevenLabs convert your text into a news-style voiceover. After the audio is ready, listen back and check the pacing, pronunciation, and tone. If anything sounds too emotional or uneven, adjust the punctuation or try a different voice.
Final results
Once you're
published.
satisfied with the result, download the audio and use it in your news
selected
videos,
for cadre
updates,
posts,
or informational content.
201
For best
for
results,
non-cadre.
keep your voice style consistent across all your news segments so your content feels familiar and professional to your audience. And that's how you create news narration with ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.